Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your history class, and today we will study new questions and ideas chapter. So, who is asking these new questions and who is getting these new ideas? These are the thinkers of the society who were questioning the usual being of the individual. So, first one is Buddha. Siddhartha, also known as Gautam, the founder of Buddhism. He was born about 2500 years ago in a town called Lumbini in Nepal. The Buddha belonged to a small Gana known as the Sakya Gana and a Kshatriya. So, he was a Kshatriya. When Siddhartha was a young man, he left the comforts of his house in search of knowledge. His search brought him all the way to Bihar. He finally decided to find his own path to realization and meditation for days on end under a peepal tree at Bodh Gaya in Bihar, where he attained enlightenment. So, after that, he was known as the Buddha or the Wise One. He spent the rest of his life traveling on foot, going from place to place teaching people. He did this till he passed away in Kusinara at Madhya Pradesh. Buddha taught in Prakrit. Prakrit is a language of that time, which was the language of the common people at that time. He taught people to be kind and to respect the lives of others, including animals. He believed that the result of our actions, whether good or bad, affect us both in this life and the next. Next is Upanishads. Around the time that the Buddha was preaching and perhaps a little earlier, other thinkers also tried to find answers to difficult questions. They were trying to answer many questions like what happens after death, life after death. They were wondering about that. What kind of sacrifices should people perform? Is there something permanent in the universe that lasts even after death? So, these questions were thought about. Many of their ideas and discussions about these questions were recorded in the Upanishads. Upanishads means approaching and sitting near. This knowledge is gained through conversation between teachers and students. Most Upanishads thinkers were Brahmins and Rajas. Occasionally, there is a mention of women thinkers such as Gargi, who was famous for her learning and participated in debates held in royal courts. Satyakama Jabala had a deep desire to learn about reality and was accepted as a student by a teacher named Gautama. So he was also one of the thinkers. Many of the ideas of the Upanishads were later developed by the famous thinker Shankaracharya. Upanishads are books that have the main ideas of Hinduism. They talk about Atman or the individual soul and Brahman or the universal soul, which are the core concepts. So this is Upanishads. So children, for your homework, mention the Buddha's real name and write short notes on Gautam Buddha. Both these questions you have to do in your notebook. I hope you understood this. We will meet again in the next class.